Welcome to Decoration SolidWorks CADCam Practice 42. Today we are going to create shifter fork model. So here is the detailed drawing of the shifter fork model. Okay, when we analyze the shifter fork model, we are going to create the center cylinder followed by the handle between here, and then we are going to create a handle over here, which is the fork hook, fork hand and fork, and then finally we are going to cut through this and the hole at the cylinder. So it seems easy. So we are going to use simple post extrude cut extrude feature. So let's begin. Okay, I'm going to begin with the top plane. Create a cylinder first with the dimension of 40. Exit, extrude, blind. I'm going to change the direction towards down, and the total height of this is 120. Alright, so we are done creating this. Okay, as the second part, I'm going to create this handle. So we are going to create the whole solid, and then lastly we are going to cut this base. So for the whole solid, we are going to follow this design. So for that, I'm going to use front plane. Okay, start our sketching from here, and then draw a semicircle like this. Alright, so once we create it like this, I'm going to add the dimension. Before you add the dimension, you just create almost same like in the detail drawing, almost same like this in the detail drawing. You don't need to worry about this first, and then when you add dimension, you need to be careful to add the correct dimension. That's all. So the angle between this is 12.11, and the radius of this semicircle is 15. Alright, and then the distance from the center of the semicircle to here is 0.05, so already there. And then okay, so from here to the center of here, which is 45. Okay, and then you make sure this one and the circle is tangent. So your sketch is fully defined now, and then you can straight away put a circle over here to create the contour, and then the dimension of this one is 12 millimeter. Alright, so just exit sketch, extrude base, and then you choose the mid plane. The distance of this is 4, and then click. So now you will get a design like this, a model like this, and then now we are going to add the hand over here and the fork here. So for this hand, we need to create a reference plane to make sure that at the middle of this, which means we are going to create a reference plane from the distance from down, which is 101 plus 7.5, which is the 108.5. The reference plane distance from the down one is 108.5. Okay, go to the reference plane, select this, click offset, select 108.5. Alright, so once you create this plane, because we are going to use this to draw, we are going to draw all this, and then we are going to use the contour to create this hand and this fork using one sketch. Okay, so I'm going to start new sketch on this plane, and then we are going to draw this fork, hand and fork like this. So I'm going to create a straight line, and then I'm going to create a center line like this, and a straight line from here to here, and then I'm going to create a circle, and then another circle. Okay, now I'm going to give the dimension to this circle. So this one is 50, the other one is 80, the distance from origin to the center of circle is 80 as well. Okay, you just merge the center line to this, and then now we are going to fix this line to the circle, again fix this line to the circle. Okay, once you created this, just trim unwanted. Oh, before that, we need to create a straight line here, here, and then another straight line here to here. Okay, and then we are going to trim the unwanted areas like this. Yes, trim, trim. So once you created like this, and make sure you close the loop for this also. So you convert entities and then select the circle, click OK, and then trim again. So now our sketch is fully defined, and you can see that we have the contours 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you just exit the sketch, go to extrude base. Now we have the option to select the contours. First of all, I'm going to select this and this, and then I'm going to select mid plane, and the distance is 11 over here, and then click OK. So you will have like this, and then again you expand this, select the sketch tree, and then select extrude base, add the contour. I'm going to select this and this, same the mid plane command, and now the distance of this is 50. Okay, so once you've done this, I'm going to hide the plane one. You will get an actual design like this, which we already have this position and the fork over here. Now according to the detail drawing, we are going to cut through this and this area. For that, I'm going to select this face. I'm going to create a sketch. For this, first of all, I'm going to create a circle at here. The dimension of this is 30. And then now I'm going to create a rectangle. Not actually a rectangle. I'm going to create a circle first. Create a circle, follow the dimension here, 40. Okay, and then create a straight line. Create a center line also, and then another straight line. Make sure this line and this line is symmetrical to the center line. Okay, the distance of this is 20. And then here I'm going to use. Now we can trim. Okay. So actually we are going to cut this part. This is this will coincide here. Alright, and then some coincide. So once you coincide, it's already fully defined. So we are going to cut this area and this area first. So exit sketch, extrude cut. We just select to all both, and then okay. So we will get something like this, which is almost same as our detail drawing. Now we are going to add fillet over here and here. So actually the fillet is everywhere. At here, 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 and here, 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 and then here. So for the fillet, here didn't mention in the detail drawing. Maybe we can use the fillet of 2 first. Right in here, just, and you can see it's quite big. So maybe we can use 1. This one actually, you can see really just select the area we need to be fillet. Here, down here, this edge, as well as this edge. Yep, I think that's all. And then click OK. So you will get something like this. If you want to make it bigger, just go to this edit feature. Maybe we can put 1.5 as its dimension. Now it's like almost good. Yep. So we complete our shifter fork model within pause, extrude, cut, extrude, and fillet. So it seems from the detail drawing, it seems very difficult, but when we analyze the detail drawing, we can actually make it into 3D model within a simple base. So stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to share and like this video and subscribe my channel. And thank you.